Many gardeners know the frustration. Hours of work, healthy-looking plants, but disappointing harvests. Lettuces refuse to heart, tomatoes stay small, and courgettes stall after a few fruits. It's easy to feel like you've failed, but the real issue often isn't your effort. You've prepared the ground, watered, weeded and fertilized, yet lush growth never appears. The secret isn't just feeding plants, but nurturing the soil beneath them. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living community. When weak plants struggle, focus on the ecosystem underground, not just the leaves above. By working with the life in your soil, you unlock healthier, more productive plants. This approach is more sustainable and rewarding than any quick-fix fertilizer. The journey to a thriving garden starts by caring for the soil's living world. We're taught to see plant nutrition as a numbers game, NPK on fertilizer boxes. But this treats soil as an empty vessel, ignoring its living biology. Plants don't absorb synthetic nutrients efficiently on their own. They rely on a web of microbes, fungi, bacteria, and more. These microbes break down organic matter, making nutrients available to roots. Without this living bridge, synthetic fertilizers often wash away or become locked up, leaving plants hungry. Chemical fertilizers can even harm soil life, leading to weak growth and pest problems. Over time, this approach creates lifeless soil, dependent on more chemicals. The real solution? Feed the soil's living community, not just the plant. When you nurture soil life, you unlock nutrients, protect roots, and build lasting fertility. Healthy soil means healthy, resilient plants, just as nature intended. The best way to boost soil life is with compost tea, a living brew full of beneficial microbes. Compost tea isn't a fertilizer, it's a microbial inoculant that jump-starts your soil's ecosystem. Start with rich homemade compost as your base. Add unsulfured blackstrap molasses for sugar, a splash of liquid seaweed for minerals, and a handful of rolled oats for fungi. Place everything in a mesh bag, submerge in non-chlorinated water, and aerate with a pump. Let it bubble for a day until it smells sweet and earthy. Apply to your soil and plants for a thriving, resilient garden. Compost tea is the gardener's secret to healthy, bountiful harvests. Once your compost tea is ready, use it within 4 hours for maximum benefit. Always apply to damp soil, never dry, so microbes can reach the root zone. Dilute 1 part tea with 4 parts water and drench the base of your plants. A single bucket treats a large area, making it efficient for any garden. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season, or more often for heavy feeders like tomatoes and squash. For seedlings, a dose of tea reduces transplant shock and speeds root growth. In containers, compost tea is especially powerful. Apply until it drains out the bottom every 2 weeks. This transforms pots from lifeless to vibrant, supporting healthier, more resilient plants. Regular use builds a living ecosystem, not just a temporary boost. Your vegetables will thrive, and your soil will come alive. Compost tea brings rapid, visible results, not from forced growth, but from unlocking nutrients already in your soil. Microbes break down organic matter, making food instantly available to plants. But remember, compost tea isn't a cure-all. Good gardening practices still matter. Ensure sunlight, moisture, and healthy soil structure for best results. After applying tea, mulch with compost or straw to protect soil and feed microbes. Over time, your soil becomes darker, crumbly and full of earthworms, a sign of true health. Eventually, your garden becomes self-sustaining, needing fewer inputs each year. This method shifts you from fighting nature to working with it. Whether you garden in pots or plots, you become a steward of living soil. That's the real secret to a productive, resilient vegetable garden.